Hello. I always have my stepson laughing, and I tell him that I never want to appear that I'm trying to make myself up all the time. And first of all, I'm just really not that type of girl. I used to be in my 20s. I used to have a whole little caboodles of makeup, but once I started, I think it was my third child, in my late 20s, that I was like, you know what? I ain't nobody got time for this, so I let all of it go. And I have not worn makeup unless it is a super, super special occasion. And even then, I do it myself, and I don't even know what I'm doing. But I digress. I'm out very early this morning because I want to get some more planting done. And I'm getting it done because I want to get on my bike. And I want to get it done before church. So let's get to it, y'all. More sister gardening. I did not map this out this time, so I am going to sow my corn seeds. I did not start them in a greenhouse this year because it seemed as if it took the same amount of time to produce corn stalks as it did when I put it in out here planting direct to ground, as it did when I did in my started the seeds in my greenhouse. So that's valuable space that it could have been taken up for something else to start getting ready to grow. And I'm just going to start them out here. Oddly enough, I planted one squash up with my green beans, my bush beans, and I'm planting pole beans down here with the corn, which did really well last year because those pole beans just spiraled right up the corn, and we always had a multitude of green beans. All right. Hopefully I'll get this time. And y'all see my eyes are red. I'm like, man, I really got out here early. Let's do this thing. Okay? Y'all know I'm choosing joy. This is a spot that I'm going to use. We typically don't plant too much corn, but I am getting with the corn this year. All right. That's going to be a portion of walking space, and I'll start my corn right here. And this year we did not have to till anything because we went really heavy with the wood chips. My neighbor is older, I'm getting older, and we don't have time to be working like machinery like that. We do have my son, her son, Brit, if you guys remember her, I have a podcast with her. She loves to come and work in the garden, but she had a baby. And I know about moms who have babies. I had some one time or two ago. And yeah, I promote being at home with your kids at all costs. And maybe one day, Brit will bring Sonny out to our garden with us, because that's another thing I promote, is kids getting dirty. And last year I planted 2 seeds in a hole, and God blessed us with 2 seeds in a hole, and I actually had to come out and separate them. So this time I'm only going in with one and let Charlie Wilson do his thing, and of course the Lord most of all. I'm going to leave them uncovered for now because I want to see where to put my green beans as well. Let's start another row. Going in with my snap beans. I have a corn seed right here. So I am going to put my snap bean right there beside it. Right here beside it. Cover them up. And I usually just like to lightly walk over them just a little bit, just to push it down. I put my seed packets out where I planted so that I know where to put my labels and my stakes. as I go through this. I was gonna bring okra. I was gonna bring okra out that I saved from last year, but I forgot to bring it out, so I'm gonna just go ahead and use this. It started with this anyway. We usually plant it in this spot, but this year I'm going over here where the watermelon patch used to be. I have the ground ready. I'm gonna plant my cucumbers and my okra together because they are sister plants. And in these little small containers right here, I'm going to plant basil and set them around because they will detract from the aphids for the cucumbers. All right. Start my row. And you see how easy it is to get in that ground with these wood chips down here? I'm super excited. Seed. And man, do our okra grow pretty tall. I need to go in and find my other seed. Yeah, the moment I left to go and get these cucumbers, birds start coming over to get my seeds. What in the world? They think they're crafty. Look how big my transplants have gotten. Remember when I double planted them and then took them out and put them in another tray? Cucumbers and my snap beans. I forgot I had snap beans out here. I could have put those already in the ground for my corn. So there's my okra. Those are my cucumber. As my okra starts growing, we're gonna vein the cucumbers over that way. And I got one more hole to dig right here for a cucumber plant. Here we go. Get down in there. Let me go and get some gloves. I already talked about how I don't grow fingernails just for this reason. But it's no reason to get the little fingernails I do have dirty. Snug as a bug. Today we are breaking out our compost. If you can remember, I throw all my leaves and everything that I pick from the garden in this here bucket. I toss it every now and then with another bucket that I have sitting beside it, and this is what we have now. It looks so good. You would never believe that this thing was like piled this high with garden scraps and all sorts of stuff. Nothing but the blood of Jesus. Okay, I was telling Gigi Naturals that I thought I filmed planting my tomatoes, but I did not. And I have so many that are growing in the greenhouse. I have at least 6 more, and I think the others I'm just going to put in my raised beds. But you've already seen how tall these transplants got. They look awesome. So let's get them out and put them in the ground. Just to show how sturdy they are, I can just pull it straight up. I'm gonna go in here. I'm gonna lay it to the side. Pull those off. Lay them to the side. Cover it up. put some of my, and you see I just stood it up right here. Put some of my compost in there. Take that leaf off as well because you don't want it to be touching the ground. And get in there really good with my wood chips. And boom, there we go. Let's do the rest of them. It's time to go to work, but before I do, I'm gonna water the garden because it's gonna get up to 81 degrees here in Atlanta today. And you see it's dry. Bought me some marigolds from the store. I could have started from seed, but